Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a bundle listing on Depop. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in depop.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Depop if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar, where you can go and search for anything, of course. Then in the top right corner, we have the Sell Now button. We have the, of course, messages, the likes, and in the top right corner, your profile, and a bunch of things about that. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a bundle listing on Depop. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So creating a bundle listing on Depop is a great way to offer multiple items to buyers at a discount price. And here is a step-by-step guide. So first of all, mark items as sold. So first mark the individual items that the buyer wants as sold on your listing. This prevents others from purchasing them while you create the bundle. You need then to create a new listing. List a new item that represents the bundle, include pictures and descriptions of all the items in the bundle. Weight the items together. So weight all items together to determine a correct shipping option. This ensures you provide an accurate shipping cost. Then notify the buyer, so inform the buyer that the bundle is ready. Ship the items, of course, and refresh your feed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool. That will be everything, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.